how to withdraw money from Stake to FamPay. So if you want to withdraw money from Stake to FamPay, then what you need to do is the first step is withdrawing from Stake to an Indian bank account. So log into your Stake account, go to the wallet option, which will be on the left side of your screen. Choose the wallet from the toolbar right here and choose withdraw. Select INR as the withdrawal currency. Enter your Indian bank account details like IFSC account number or name, then complete any required KYC and submit the withdrawal. Funds typically arrive in 1 to 3 business days. Now, after that, open up your UPI app linked to your FamPay ID. Choose Add Money or UPI Collect. Then send money using UPI to your FAPE linked account and then enter the amount you withdraw from Stake and authorize the UPI transaction. Funds will appear in your FAPE wallet instantly or within minutes depending on the bank. And Stake lets you withdraw INR straight to your bank after KYC. And FamPay supports UPI top-ups, allowing transfers from your bank account via UPI. So in conclusion, you cannot transfer directly. Instead, you need to withdraw the INR from EST to your bank account and then use UPI to add the funds into your FPay. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.